Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to adjust the alarm volume on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to adjust the alarm volume of your Samsung phone, first of all, just open the clock app on your Samsung phone, then tap on your alarm. Now in your alarm settings, you will find the option of alarm sound. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will find a slider to adjust the alarm volume. But if you cannot find the slider over here, then go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, just go to sounds and vibration, then tap on volume, and you will find the alarm volume slider over here. Now you can adjust the alarm volume by increasing or decreasing the slider over here, just like that. And this is how you can adjust the alarm volume of the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.